Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a face brightening powder at home. To make the powder we need uncooked rice and red lentils. At first wash them very well with water and then sun dry them. Now make a fine powder with them in a blender jar. Make the powder as fine as you can. Here is my powder ready, but there is some more things to mix in it. Here I am taking half teaspoon of wild turmeric powder or kasturi haldi and 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Now mix all three ingredients. Rice flour, red lentils flour, kasturi haldi and milk powder. The all ingredients are very effective in skin brightening and it also makes your skin very soft and smooth. Mix the things very well and please use a dry container and a dry spoon because we are going to store it in a airtight container and it will last for many days. The powder is so good for skin and you can also use it as a face wash and it has many benefits. Now store the powder in a airtight container and it will last good for almost 3 months. Here is my skin brightening powder ready. I just made it in a little quantity because I don't want to make in a very huge amount and then use it for months and months because I want to make it fresh. Now let me tell you how to use it. If you have oily to combination skin, then add 1 teaspoon of yogurt in a bowl and then add 1 teaspoon powder in it. Now mix and then apply it in your face and massage gently and then wash it with water. And if you have dry skin, then take 1 teaspoon of raw milk instead of curd. But if you have normal skin or if you have really tanned skin, then take 1 teaspoon of tomato pulp in a bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of face brightening powder in it. And then just mix it and then apply it in your face and massage in a circular motion and then wash it with plain water. Do the remedy 2 or 3 times in a week and just see the magic. Please give the remedy a try and you can feel yourself that how your skin quality is enhanced. It has no side effects and it's all natural. So friends, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. I really need your support and if you like the video then please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends.